There are different ways by which you can enjoy your peppered chicken. You can pair it with your fried yam, fried potatoes. You can equally snack on it while relaxing, watching your favorite TV show, or scrolling through your phone on social media. Here I have bell peppers, tomatoes, scotch bonnet, onion, and garlic. So I'm going to be blending everything together. So I'm going to be air frying the chicken now, and then we get started. So to my pan, I'm going to be adding some oil. Once the oil heats up, we're going with the pepper mix. I'm going to be frying this for about 12 minutes or thereabout. It's not going to be like totally dry. Around 12 to 15 minutes, this is what we have. It was splattering, messing up my stove top, so I had to cover with this mesh cover, to reduce the splattering. Now I'm adding the seasoning, just salt, curry, thyme, and the seasoning cube. We are good. Combine the seasoning properly, allow to fry for another 1 minute. Add some of the chicken stock. So guys, our peppered chicken sauce is ready. Now I'll be adding the fried chicken. Guys, look at how yummy and appetizing this chicken looks. I tell you, it tastes so good. At this point, I'll be turning off the stove. It will just simmer with the residual heat, and I'll be finishing up with some white onion. You can do green onion, it's fine. And that's it, guys. So by the side, I was frying my potato, guys. I sprinkled some parsley. Now I've paired my fried potato with this yummy chicken and lettuce. Please click on the subscribe button, like this video, drop your comments. If you are a man watching this video, please share this video to your wife, your sisters, anyone that you would like to prepare this delicious meal for you. Thank you.